All right, now in other news as well, and big news coming in just a short while. 5 Indian men who went missing from Arunachal Pradesh will be returning home today. The Chinese army will hand them over at about 9:30 a.m. at a place called Vacha near Kibitu border and personnel meeting point in Arunachal Pradesh. In a hotline message on September 8, the Chinese army informed the Indian side about finding these missing Arunachal youth. According to the army, these 5 men are hunters and crossed over to the LAC on 2nd September. The matter was first brought to the attention of authorities when family members of the missing men claimed on social media posts that their kin had been abducted, taken by the Chinese army while hunting near the border. In fact, 2 of the men who were part of the same group managed to escape, immediately alerting local police in the state's Upper Subansiri district.
और जनरली जो अभी का सिचुएशन का हिसाब से क्योंकि कोई लड़का उसमें से अपना जगह को वेरीफाई करने गया है और कोई शिकार के तौर पे कोई उसमें फोटर में काम किया है जो आर्मी का साथ में, तो उसी सिचुएशन में थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सेशन होने से हम लोग का लड़का लोग कभी कभी इधर उधर जाता है, जाके निरीक्षण करता है अपना एरिया को। उसी सिचुएशन में पीएलए का आर्मी लोग वहाँ से पेट्रोलिंग वगैरह करता है, घुसपैठी करता है। उसी समय में वो लड़का लोग को जब मिलता है तो बांध करके किडनैप करके ले जाता है।
And the only India Today reporter there to report and give us a ground situation, Manogya Loiwal, is in Arunachal Pradesh. She is in fact at the Upper Subansiri district as well. Manogya, how's the mood like? You sent us this reaction from one of the family members. It must be big for them, that the fact that they were taken away or even missing and are returning now.
Absolutely. Almost a week of sleepless nights for the family and the kins and the relatives and the entire tribe. It is a big day. It is a sigh of relief. I'm joined with me by Dadu Pading and others and from Nacho, and of course give us an idea on how does it feel to now know that the family members, the community members will be back today and the sleepless nights are finally over.
At the very beginning, I would like to thank the India Today for coming here and reporting us. For me, it's very much relaxed, very in a high peak of relax that I'm feeling very much satisfaction with the government, what they have done for us. And as a family member, we are now in that stage that we cannot express our joy in any word.
There are a lot of people who travel in these regions. What you see here is these mountains, and this will give you an idea on how difficult it is to identify the terrain from one country to the other. There's no demarcation, there's no official boundary between the two countries, and that's the biggest challenge for the locals, especially the hunters who are there in these dense forests and then almost lose their way.
Ma'am, actually, basically our youths depend their livelihood on something, hunting, fishing, and then in search of herbal medicine. Sometimes when they go to forest, they get lost because of the boundary issues. So actually,
what has been the response? The fact that the response from the government of India and the state government, has it been satisfactory? How does it feel as an Indian, the kind of response that the government has given to you?
Yes, totally. I feel when they came to know and when we came to know, when we had a report to our government of India and instead through our agent, they had done all their job in a proper way, and I'm satisfied with that.
Well, it's a moment of satisfaction, yes. A sigh of relief, and for the family members, what would happen next at 9:30 would be at Kibitu border, which is also a meeting point for the two armies regularly, or for the flag meetings that have been taking place in the region. That's where these 5 people will arrive, and after that there will be series of sessions with the army also. Checkups due to COVID-19 and of course the regular protocols that have to be followed on the route.
So keep tracking the latest. Manogya Loiwal, remember India Today is the only channel getting you the latest on that. Some positive news clearly with regard to at least where the India-China standoff is. These men are going to return home to Arunachal Pradesh. Manogya, thank you very much.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.